Hello! In this tutorial, I'll show you how to make a claim for travel insurance on Medibank. So the first thing I'd like you to do is to go ahead and launch your Medibank account. Now, if you have an account on Medibank that's via the Medibank online platform or even the application, then that's fine. But then for those who are unable to create an account on Medibank, this is pretty much a shortcut that you can use to file a claim or make a claim for your travel insurance on Medibank. And what's the shortcut? Here, so let's go ahead and get acquainted with the URL, which is here. So medibank.com.au/travel. You have the -insurance/claim/. So if you click on that, it's going to take you right here into this website where you can now start following through with the process to file your travel insurance claim. So here you go. So make a travel insurance claim, which right here, that's fine. That's exactly what we're looking for. So how to make a claim. Now follow these easy steps to submit your claim. And submit your claim online to completely relevant sections of the online claim system. And the system will prompt you to upload scanned receipts and other supporting documentations while you make your claim. So here you have a button that says make a claim, so we can click on that if we want to go through the process, but then we have to understand what exactly we are doing so we don't get thrown off in the process. So complete and post in a claim form. Now, so download and complete the relevant section of the claim form below, which you have to download, and then collect any documentation we require. And you'll find each section of the claim form provides details on required documentation such as police reports, evaluations, medical report, original receipts, or proof of ownership. All of this will be required, and then we require originals. So please make copies of these documents before posting the originals in. So you have to make copies of them and scan them so that when it's required for you to post them or upload them, you're going to upload them in the original quality. And then post your completed claim form along with any supporting documents within 60 days to this Medibank travel insurance team. And of course, you have the details of them here. So these are the important points that you need to take note when making your claim. Now, you must lodge full details of as soon as possible, or you must lodge full details of yours. All right, so pardon that, as soon as possible, and claim in writing within 60 days of your return. And then you must give us any information we ask for to support your claims, such as police reports, evaluations, medical reports, original receipts, or proof of ownership. And then you must report the loss or theft of luggage, personal effects, travel document, or money within 7 days to the police or responsible transport provider, and a written report must be obtained at the time. You or someone on your behalf should phone our emergency assistance team as soon as possible if you require hospitalization, if your medical expenses will exceed $2,000, or if you want to return early. And then claims are payable in Australian dollars to you. So from any country, you know how you can change that using the exchange rate of the country. Now, we will settle claims in Australian dollars, and the rate of our currency exchange that will apply is the rate at the time you incur the expense. Now, if you can claim from anyone else, we will only make up the difference. You must claim from them first. If you still need more help, then that's it. So we can now say, oh, it's safe to now scroll the way up to see how we can start making this claim, since we now have all this information at our tip. So what is this for? What is this for? This is the claim form. This is what it looks like. So how do I make a claim at Medibank? So fill out the claim form. Okay, so what are you claiming for? Here are the steps. So this is the form. Just go ahead and fill it using any online form filler, So what are you claiming for? All of this, put it out. Ensure that it is what you're claiming for, and then provide all relevant documentation of this. So read everything in the form. Send us your claim to this email once you're done. So what is the claim? So all of these this is the form. These are the blank spaces that you necessarily need to fill. So fill out all of this, and once you fill them out, it's a lot, So know what to fill and what not to fill. So here you go. So it requires that you definitely describe the details, everything, have all the details, everything that you want to require. Just that's the form. So fill out the form and everything that you need and have it handy. So once you're done, we can now head over here where it says submit your claim online, and then click on this button that says make a claim. So here is make a claim, and with our online claim center, it's quick and easy to lodge a claim. So how do you get started? First name, you're gonna have to put in your first name, your last name, and your policy number, and then go ahead and click on login. So why I will not be able to pass through this process is because I do not have my policy number, because I'm not policy holder and I have not purchased the travel policy. I have not purchased this travel policy. But then if you have purchased your travel insurance policy and you have been given your policy number, now I'd like you to know that once you purchase any policy, you'll be definitely given the policy number in the document they're going to be sent to you. Now that document can either be sent via mail or any means possible, but just know that you're going to get a policy number. So once you have your policy number for your travel insurance handy, all you need to do is to enter your first name that you're using, registering, legal, the last name, and then policy number, then go ahead and click on login. And once you click on login, here are the steps that you need to follow. And there are 5 easy steps. 1, describe the incident. You're going to be asked to describe the incident, and then provide expenses. Once you provide expenses, and then upload documentation. And one of the documents that you need to upload is the claim form that I said you should fill. This claim form. So fill it out and ensure that you have it handy. And then once you have uploaded documentation, or you're also going to be asked for supporting documents that's going to help them verify if this is valid or invalid. So once you have uploaded all of them, the next one is the financial details, where you're going to have to select what banking platforms or what payment method that you would choose or you would like them to send you money. Remember, your money is going to be sent in Australian dollars, so depending on the exchange rate at that time, that's just going to be it. So that's just depending on the exchange rate for the country at the time this claim was filed. So once you have entered all the financial details, go ahead and review and finalize. Once you have reviewed and finalized everything that you have done and all the information that you've put in, that's just going to be it. Then these people, Medibank is going to review everything and they're going to get back to you as soon as they can. But this is the process. I'm not able to log in because I do not have a policy number. I'm not a policy holder, so I'm just going to have to go back. So that is pretty much the process as we have definitely explained. All right, so download, complete and post it in a claim form. So all of these processes are just what you need. All right, so download the complete registrations of the claim form and then post it. And once you post it, you're also going to, like I said, supporting documents such as police reports, valuations, medical reports, original receipts, and proof of ownership. You need to have all of these handy. These are the supporting documents that you're going to have to upload. If you don't have this, then I'm not sure they'll allow you to, pass or skip that process. So you need to have all of these scanned and original copies, only original copies. So you have to really take note of that. And then, of course, we have read through those important points. So, of course, you're good to go. So if you need extra help, let's say this is not helping, or you've gone through the process and it's just working, or it's just giving you too much headache, then you can now go ahead and email them, the Medibank Claims Department. Go ahead and email them, send them an email that, I'm trying to do this and I'm not really getting what I want. So go ahead and click on that, just let them know. And then, or you just copy, and by highlighting this number, you just copy and then you call, and somebody definitely from the Medibank team will reach out to you and take the complaint that you want, and they will definitely help you through anything that you want. So this is just pretty much the process of making a claim, of filing a travel insurance claim on Medibank. So like I said, this is like the shortest process that you can, or the shortcut that you can go through, to make or to file this claim. But then if you have a Medibank account, it's just simple. Go ahead, launch your account, and then click on claim. And then once you click on claim, you're going to see many options, and one of the options you're going to find is travel insurance claim. click on travel insurance claim, then refer to the step-by-step processes and file your claim. It's just easy that way. So you can go by this tutorial from top to bottom to get acquainted with the steps. And once you're done, you'll be good to go. I hope this video marvelously helped your search.